I'm honored to have the opportunity to greet you all on behalf of our organization, Roma Youth Organization of Croatia. International Roma Day means to us the beginning of the process of recognition of Roma. Now, 50 years later, we have made many steps, but still many steps are in front of us, as many Roma live at the bottom of the society, in marginalized Roma settlements, in suburbs of the European cities and villages. The work of the ROM HR is based in those localities and focuses on creating the best solutions which are tested locally and promoted on national and hopefully international level. The Roma settlements are held in the past with limited access to utilities and services, health, education, mainstream culture. The Roma are prisoners of those settlements and as such they are destined for social exclusion, poverty and discrimination. But who are we convicting? Our societies are convicting the children who are citizens of our states, regions and localities. We are convicting them by sending them to the segregated education, not reacting to early marriages, not providing them exit from Roma settlements, not providing them access to utilities, not providing them with the chance to contribute not only to Roma society but to the society of their countries. We are not providing our kids with a chance to achieve their full potential. We are engaging young Roma from the settlements and empowering them to define their problems by themselves, and we support them to create a solution. We want to create a channel that will bring the voices from the Roma settlements to our government on the local, regional, national and European levels. Our goal is to have the equal participation of Roma based on their gender, religion, age and educational level in order that each group can define their policies by themselves and create and test solutions. The good and tested practices should be taken over by the governments on all levels. Who can be better at creating solutions than the ones who face those problems and manage to overcome them? We want to tackle our problems through mainstream policies for young people and through targeted Roma policies. And we should not shy away from problems among Roma within Roma organizations and communities. We are now part of the Umbrella Youth Network in Croatia, but we hope that in our second try we will be accepted by the Umbrella Roma organization in Croatia. Political participation is on a high level, but the NGO sector is imprisoned by the political Roma and mainstream sector. In Croatia, there is a very weird situation. We have more than 200 Roma associations and less than 10 are active. The Roma civil sector is very weak, as the Roma civil sector is connected with politics and very often it is seen as a private business. We are aware that Roma are discriminated against, but now we also need to focus on the discrimination within the Roma community towards youth and women. We are aware of the significant contribution and efforts from governments to the Roma communities, but these investments need to be transparent, need to be Roma-led, and it is very important that we can clearly divide the political Roma sector from the civil sector. We are aware of that people of Europe invested in us. We got scholarships, opportunities, and we gained education. We are thankful for that, and we are making grateful recognition to our older Roma leaders in Croatia who fought for that to happen. But we are no more educated, we have better skills, and now it is time that you use us and let us take and share the burden of Roma inclusion. It is time that we give back to the community and that the next generations oversteps our success. We are asking you to support us, and we will support the next generation in order that on the 100th anniversaries of the first Roma Congress, we're going to talk about the reduction of measures for Roma inclusion as equity and equality increases, and we're going to be the equal members of the European society. I wish you all a happy International Roma Day and be proud of your origin and be supported to the next Roma generation.